Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video guys, I'm going to showcase you this modern Airbnb that is located Mombasa Road in this amazing apartment called ENZI Heights Stylish City Living Apartments. So I hope you enjoy. So from the entrance guys, this is your view. There's a shoe rack there where you have to keep your shoes inside that wardrobe there. Then that's your living room view from the entrance guys. So guys, don't mind about the room is not organized. The room is disorganized as we were shooting the whole day, yeah, and I just thought like why not record for you guys how modern and amazing this Airbnb is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly give it a like, subscribe and share.
Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma fight my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Anytime or place, watch 'em run away.
So this is the view at night. You can see the expressway is just close here. Actually this Airbnb is just next to Next Gen Mall. Let me try to zoom. Yeah, there it is, Next Gen Mall. So if you're interested, I'll leave my contacts in the description box. You can contact me and I can hook you guys with the Airbnb host. Okay.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. Where am I? Third, second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we'll too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I.
Oh guys, I forgot, this Airbnb goes for $50 a night, and it has elevator and a rooftop. It's like fitted with this artificial green grass, and it's so clean guys. I mean, $50 only guys, and you have to access all these facilities. Let me know what you think about this Airbnb in the comment section down below. And guys, please, if you're watching this, kindly hit the subscribe button, share my videos with the friends and family, and please help me to grow this channel. See you in my next video guys. Bye bye.